I can assure you everything was done, double-checked, and we reconciled. All of that was done in the presence of myself and the returning officer.
Nosiviwe Maphisa Nqakula so utawuthatha tinzambo ngalokusemthethweni kuThandi Modise njengasomlomo weParliament.
I accordingly declare Honorable Nosiviwe Maphisa Nqakula duly elected as the Speaker of the National Assembly.
Lesikhala sivuleke emva kwekuthi kuqokwe somlomo waphambili Thandi Modise njengenduna yembuso.
With respect to ministers, I am making the following new appointments.
Kulesikhundla Maphisa Nqakula bekabukene naDokotela Aneli Lotriet lapho athole khona emavoti lalikhulu nemashumi layimfica kumavoti langamakhulu lamabili nemashumi layimfica nasiphohlongo. Kwathi Lotriet wathola emavoti langamashumi lasiphohlongo nambili nje kuphela.
There were two nominees, Maphisa Nqakula, 199 votes, 199. The second nominee, Lotriet, 82 votes. Spoiled votes, sorry, let me finish. Spoiled votes, 17. That's 17. Votes that were cancelled or reissued, 0. The total number of votes were 298.
Ngokuqala solo kwamiswa tindvo eveni ukuthi linyendile malunga eParliament lihlangana eParliament kutoba ingcenye luhlelo lokuvota. Ngekuya kwalolu hlelo emalunga eParliament bekufanele ukuthi abe khona ngenyama kutovotela somlomo. Lo somlomo lomusha utibophelele kuqinisekiseni ukuthi emalunga eCabinet ayawenda umsebenzi. Maphisa Nqakula bekathi ayinduna kuvikela kusukela nga2012 kanti wake waba ngusoswebhu weANC nga2001.
I therefore fully appreciate, honorable members, the extent of the transition that I must personally make in order to fulfill my obligations and those of this House, to ensure accountability and oversight of the executive branch. Having said that, I also recognize that for us to succeed as a country, all the three branches of government of state should function in collaborative manner.
Kusesenjalo liqembu lesithathu ngebukhulu eParliament iEFF ayekabi ingcenye lolu hlelo lapho khona ithithe ngeke ihambisane nesinqumo samengameli Cyril Ramaphosa lekholelwa ukuthi ukwephula imigomo lelawula kwehlukana kwemandla ekuphatha.